Greetings from Glendale Community College Library. Let's register for a library workshop. We'll start at glendale.edu. That is our community college website. You'll see at the top there is myGCC. myGCC is going to be your portal to many things, including library workshops. Select myGCC login to enter your school ID number and password. Once you enter myGCC, you'll see a lot of options for what you can do. Library workshops are located in the lower left-hand box called Other Services. In the Other Services menu, there are many options in the left side screen. You'll select Workshops, which is the third option from the top. We offer many workshops at Glendale Community College Library. We're going to select the first option, which is Library Workshops. Library workshops will show you not only the available workshops that are upcoming, but any workshops that you've already registered for. In our case, it looks like the next available workshop is going to be using peer-reviewed sources. We can select the blue register link next to that row to register for this workshop. If there were any courses that I would like credit for, these would show up underneath. It's always better to select all of your courses than to come back and have to get credit later. So select those check boxes next to the classes that you would like to select and then save your workshop.